Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone and welcome back to my kitchen. And today we are going to cook Indonesian gado-gado. So here are the ingredients. First of all, you got cabbage, you got corn, you got long bean, you got some kale. And then you got sugar and salt, you got some peanuts, you got some chili, you got some, not some, you got lemon, you got shallot and garlic. So yeah. So the first thing to do is to put this inside of hot boiling water. So okay, let's just grab these and carefully put them inside of hot boiling water. It's like feeding a shark. There you go. So yeah, let it boil in. And the second thing we're going to make is the thingy, the other thingy that is not the gado-gado. So here is the peanuts. We're going to mix all of this inside of this, but not for the lemon. So okay, just put all the peanuts. Yeah, and ignore those. So and then insert the sugar and salt. Okay, and then the next thing to do is to firstly you put away the lemon, because we're not going to blend the lemon, of course, but what you need to do is to squish it. Okay, squish, there you go. And then close it, and we're gonna leave it to blend. And yeah, for this one, I don't know, oh yeah, I forgot something. Sorry for the inconvenience. Forgot water, of course. Yeah, just pour water. Put this, and then we're going to blend it on low. So yeah, as you see, this is our sauce. But first of all, before we continue, we are going to wait for this, okay? So yeah, I'm just going to put this here, and we're gonna wait until this is done, okay? Yeah, so yeah, see you later. Alright, so I am back. So yeah, as you see, wow. Okay, so we're going to turn it off. As you see, it's already looking very nice. Smells like corn, but that's good. Okay, so first we're going to a bit hot, so I advise to use gloves. Okay, but since I don't have, hot, hot, very hot. Oh god. Okay, yeah, sorry about that, but as you see, it's really hot because it is metal, and I almost screamed. Okay, let's just pour that in. Careful. Ouch, my hand is feeling like something unpleasant. Oh my god. Oh, how long? Okay, yeah. Oh my, yeah. Oh my god, that was hot. Alright, so as you see, we're just gonna let it cool down for now. We're going to grab a spoon, and we're going to put it inside of here. Okay, careful, as you see. Okay, let's try to put some. I advise you to use something bigger, but I will use this, as you see. Okay, get some of the corn, some of the long beans, some of the stuff, and of course the cabbage. Okay, so yeah, as you see, this is probably enough. Okay, so the next step is to grab this. Okay, so yeah, grab your sauce, your concoction, and what you need to do is to pour some. Okay, actually you need to pour just enough. Okay, yeah, this should be enough. So yeah, with, as you see, oh god, almost spill on my clothes. So you need to mix them up. As you see, I am a professional mixer. So nice. Wow, so good. Ah, yes. Okay. So yeah. So okay, while it's doing its thing, I am going to grab a something as a plate. Why did I call it a something? Okay, yes, you see it's a mess, but don't worry. So, okay, put some and wow, what a perfect gado-gado. I guess that's how you cook them. I'm learning something new every day. Wow, and I think you do too. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and see you later. Okay, here you go. Go taste it.
Gado-gado.
Yes.
Good.
Wow, what a very amazing
Very
reply.
good.
So yeah, see you later.